In this session, we are going to discuss about the system.in in Java. So the first thing is that what is system.in? In Java, system.in is the standard input stream that developers use to read input from the terminal window. It means whenever we are talking about system.in Java, so system.in is nothing. It is a standard input stream which creates a input stream from the terminal window, or you can say from the console window, so that whatever input you will whatever input you will give on the console, that you can read it with the help of system.in here. So now the important thing is that system.in does not work alone. It means you cannot use system.in alone to take or read the input from the user. For that purpose, actually what you have to do, you have to pass this system.in parameter as a parameter, or you can say as an argument, either in the constructor of scanner class. This is one way, and second is that you can use the input stream. So in the constructor of input stream, you can pass this system.in, and then you can read the input from the console. How it is possible, I will show you. The first thing is that scanner class. So this is the program for that, but I will show you this program in my Eclipse here. So first thing what you have to do, you have to create the object of scanner equal to new scanner. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, you have to create the object of scanner class, and you have to use this constructor input stream, where you have to pass system.in. Okay, so now what this line will do, this line will create a input stream from your console. In my case, this is my console. So it will take or it will create an input stream from this console. Now whatever input I will give in my console, okay, I can read it with the help of this, you can say, scanner class. How you can read it? First of all, I will do one thing. I will make a, you can say, proper message. First of all, let me put a proper message like enter your name. So I'm putting this message here, and after that, using this scanner class, I can read any input from the console like scanner.next. You can say that if you want to read the string input from the console, this is the next method. In the same way, for boolean we have next boolean, for int we have a next int, and in the same way we have different type of method to read different type of user data from the console. So currently I'm using this next so that I can read the string from the console. So this will read the, you can say, string data from the console, and that I'm going to store in a variable that is name. Okay, so now what this line will do, it will read the string data from the console, and that I've stored in my name variable. And now after that, I can simply print it. Okay, so let me print it. So I'm printing welcome, and I'm printing the name which is taken as an input from the console, NAME. And now let me run this program. So I'm running this program, and you can say that enter your name, and here I can give the name Pradeep, and when I enter, it is giving the message Pradeep. So I think this is clear. This line will create a standard input from the console. Okay, now I have given some message so that I want to take some input from the user, and now this scanner.next is reading the input from the console that I have stored in my name variable, and that I'm printing here. So this is first way. Okay, this is the first way. Now that you can say, if still you want to get more detail about the scanner class in the depth also, you can watch this video, how to take input in Java programming, on my channel. Okay, I will put the link of this video in the description of this video. Now second way is that how you can read the data from the user input. You can use the BufferedReader. You can use the BufferedStreamReader class in your program here. Okay, so how it is possible, I'll also show you same thing in my program. So what we have to do, simply, instead of, in this program I will make the modification. Instead of this class, I'm going to use InputStreamReader. I'm going to use this class, and I will create the object of this one. Suppose stream reader, and I will say equal to new InputStreamReader. So here, first of all, what we have to do, we have to create the object of InputStreamReader, and here same thing I have to do. I have to pass System.in as a parameter. So this will also do the same thing. It will create a input stream. Okay, but here one more thing you have to do. After that, what you have to do, you have to create a object of BufferedReader also. Okay, so BufferedReader means you want to read. Input stream is there, now you want to read the data, so that's why you are using the BufferedReader for br equal to new BufferedReader. Okay, in this BufferedReader, what you have to do, you have to pass the reader object which you have already created in line number 12. So let me pass it InputStreamReader. So now this is BufferedReader that is created here. Now you give the message here. Now the question is that how we can read the data from this br. There is a method br.readLine. So you can say this method, like I told you, in that case, you have different, in the scanner class, you have different method to read different data. Here also you have different method. Like if you want to read int, you can use this read method. If you want to read any string, you can use readLine. So now let me simply call readLine method. And now let me simply run it. And now you can say that in this case, you can say same program is there, but I'm taking the input from the user using my InputStreamReader and BufferedReader class. So it is also working. So now you can say these are the two ways to read the data from the console, or you can say terminal, using the System.in. Okay, I will put you can say both the program in the description of this video, but still you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment of this video. An important thing, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.